Welcome back to GuardGuides. Today we're diving into the crucial steps to follow when responding to a fire alarm. When the fire alarm goes off, our instincts from kindergarten kick in, but sometimes people freeze and stare quizzically as the strobes flash. Your role? Direct them to the nearest exit. Whether you've encountered the alarm directly or got the call, always notify your dispatch, supervisor, or proper authority of the alarm activation. Ensure the evacuation is smoothly underway. Your presence and direction can be the difference between calm and chaos. Next, head to the fire panel. It tells you the location of the activation and its type. Is it from a heat detector, smoke detector, or pull station? Knowledge is power. Your next mission, find the source. If you encounter an actual fire, remember the trash can rule. If it's larger than a standard trash can, evacuate yourself. For smaller fires, use the pass method. Pull the pin, aim, squeeze, and spray at the base of the fire. Burnt food is often the unsuspecting villain. If you find it, ensure there's no fire, open windows for ventilation, and notify dispatch. For heavy smoke conditions, stay low, follow walls to avoid disorientation. Feel doorknobs for temperatures before opening them, and always keep your safety in mind. If you find the fire's origin, inform the authorities immediately. By now, the heroes in helmets should be on the scene. It's their domain now. Your role transitions to keeping evacuees informed and calm at the rally point. Remember, only the fire department can give the all clear. Trust in their expertise and always prioritize safety. Security environments today demand swift, informed decisions. That's where GuardGuides shines. Instead of navigating through pages of traditional response plans, users get an intuitive, interactive decision tree right at their fingertips. Many solutions out there can be hefty on the wallet or come with a steep learning curve, but GuardGuides offers an affordable, user-centric experience. GuardGuides isn't just a tool, it's a game changer, especially for new officers facing emergent situations. It serves as a quick reference guide, boosting their confidence and decision-making ability. For managers and supervisors, it's a godsend. With GuardGuides, you can train your team, streamline procedures, and ensure a standardized response across the board, no matter the incident. While some tools can be restrictive or overly specific, GuardGuides strikes the perfect balance, ensuring adaptability without sacrificing accuracy. To check out the fire response version, the link is in the description below, or scan the QR code now. Thank you for tuning in to GuardGuides. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out GuardGuides on our sales platforms. And as always, be safe.